àjíṣe bí Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá. Àjíṣe bí Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan.
We plan to have a private sector partnership, either BOT or BOO, in our infrastructure development. Need companies that are ready to invest in some of the highways and bridges, toll them. We need a huge interested party in telecommunication. Our mass transit program is on course. The metro line is being discussed already. We have attracted the interest of World Bank once again. We think we're evaluating between the light rail that is less disruptive and destructive to the right of way. We are looking at this corridor of the existing railway track to really, according to the study already conducted by the World Bank, to take off from west to east and south to north. And then we can now support some other areas either with metro or mass transit system.
Àjíṣe bí Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan. Àjíṣe bí Ọ̀yọ́ là á rí, Ọ̀yọ́ ò ní ṣe bí bàbá ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan.